ពេលវេលាបានមកដល់ហើយជាមួយនឹងវគ្គយកដណ្ដើមយកលេខ3និងលេខ4
And we get these two brutal competitors who've
ដូចនិយាយយ៉ាងតាមពិតយើងមានច្រើនណាមានច្រើនប៉ុន្តែយើងអាចបានចាញ់ទេអ្នកនេះបានចាញ់ទេសល់មិញ uncomfortable yo chai flicker yo what the heck yo
ប្រទេសជាតិខ្ញុំពីជំងឺអេដខ្ញុំអ្នកវិញ
អូខេការពារពីជំងឺអេដអូខេ ចំស្អីគេចេះស្អីគេចេះ
We got that first blood rate comparison. Geltec Cyber Team usually take a bit longer to get into the game. Meanwhile, though, GXP known for the early aggression, and that's where I'll have a little bit of high pick on Fa.
What's wrong with it? I think that the overall composition seems good. They at least have a disengage mechanic. You know, it doesn't necessarily always have.
Okay, well, okay, first blood. Chai flicker. Alright.
At this point, the mid lane is down to an even.
Mid lane off flicker được kia. Okay.
Down to the mid lane. Everybody's here like it's a petting.
What? Off flicker high. Off flicker high. Full blood.
Seems like it don't matter. Akai assassins, it'll still be first blood for GXP. But a little bit back onto that topic, I feel like for GXP, especially yesterday against Na'Vi, it really felt like with these utility jungles in hand.
Dạ ta nắng ton vậy chẳng phải gọi nhóm vậy nè, nắng bia bà bạn vậy.
It's just not Galaxy Phoenix that we've come to know.
Yeah, but this is the personality that I love to see from both of these teams, right?
អាហ្នឹងតអ្នកប្រកួតឬក៏អ្នកមានបទពិសោធន៍ចូលទស្សនាការប្រកួតនៅអំឡុងពេលនេះដូចខ្ញុំអីអាហ្នឹងមិនដឹងមិនយល់ហ្នឹង
during the scrum, so I think that at this point, as much as I love GXP, I do want to see like what the peak of team fighting compositions or at least brawling compositions would look like between the two.
វ៉ែ4អត់ចុយយូ2បានវ៉ែ4
Who's gonna win those 50-50? So far, laying on the Paquito as expected, though, winning out in the lane just by getting the XP crowd really have a hold on that. As they set up for Turtle,
Rossi នេះប៉ះ Rossi
have a massive advantage coming into this with the Akai heavy
គេ
spin.
តិចហ្នឹង Rossi
Just like any other Atlas.
Whoa.
No level 4 just yet. Liu
You song chất đạt.
Well. This looks great.
Yo, what is that?
Just means that unfortunately.
Yo, ôi ngày nay sao hay
contest this, but let's see.
Sophia.
Anybody's game here.
Mấy mà thử Leobon lò.
Trying to keep Kyoe out of this. It looks like they should be able to get this no problem. Kyoe won't have the magic trick Patrick to get in and fought instantly with a heavy spin, locking down one as the backline getting 10.
Ở đây vẫy bên lại đi, vẫy bên. Vẫy bên. Từ nè. Này, ban môi bên. Mau rồi. Ban. Vini, nice. Ô, cái này lo. Clip lại farm. Dân clear mid dân ban chui kia dân. Đây cái váy siêu trẻ dân tôi bánh toàn vậy. Mẹ đọc hình bò. Lo. Okay, guys.
Try to go for an ambush, but no, he just clears it out, and this gives.
Dân clear mid lane man. Okay, mình đã xa tái Sophia admin sticker. Alright. Em phải có team mới secure mà kill đâu mồi mà kill. Okay.
But Tokyo's farming up a storm on the.
Trời ơi, này cái job siêu là phải.
I love the fact that Tokyo.
Ôi, lính váy siêu tẹt lùi. Lùi tính ai thầm.
It's also not worth dying just to deny her that space. But for now,
cả cái này vào today. Mấy bạn cái này vào today. Lấy ma.
Kill just yet. Didn't even force out too many battle spells as well.
Vừa ta lịch bay còn ó rồi nè. Ta cũng toàn ai dùng mưa cạp cốt sân, mùi sân nào nè, mùi sân. Không có năng con, tôi chỉ lịch bay còn chia chấm nát phạm môi đây, top 3 đây, lỗ đây, không có năng, phụ lẽ sao môi đó, chắc ba, đi fresh môi chắc ba. Ngày nay sẽ bài play, miền Nam mà sao mình sẽ bài mình tranh với cái vài giờ năng, cho mình dây, mày, look at that. Cái váy siêu dân trong váy siêu cái, ok. Trời này cái mình váy siêu cái váy thread dân rồi. Okay, it's okay. Thread for Golan.
Dude, when it comes to Siege GCT, they got so
much
damage. Damage is good.
Sophia, shoot Sophia pop. Okay. Oh, nice.
Gets a disengage, but luckily Lubon says no. Petrify is still good as they start making their way down. Fa and Winnie need to steal this away. Retribution.
Nice one.
Winnie has been activated. Winnie in trouble. Forced to flicker. Do they want to dive this? They're gonna make the.
Whoa!
Shot residue.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
It's just
Yo, Winnie!
so close yet
Oh,
so
Linh
far,
bóc mid,
but
Linh bóc mid,
GCT
Linh bóc mid,
again
Linh
with
bóc
the
mid,
siege
Linh
of
bóc
a
mid.
Harley
Trời,
damage
bọn em
to
lên
the
vai rẹt
inner
vào rồi.
jungle.
Ôi dồi.
You open up, you leave these turrets vulnerable, and these
Alright,
structures
right,
will
mùi,
fall in their
mùi.
face. Tokyo as well. Straight into
Lùi
the
cái
bottom
chợt
lane,
những dương là
no
sai cái vô.
assist,
Ê,
nothing
tret.
on the team fight
Cái vô pi
participation
tret đó,
just
khi
yet.
vô pi tret nhưng
The
tầm
two
ban giờ tao ban
structures
tret.
for
Tại
the
dân vô ban
two
pi tật
turrets
thol.
that GXP have gotten, and you
Ok,
get to see the
mùi
goal
này
difference
chắc bán
here
tret, không chắc
from
bán này.
every single member. Even in the lanes that GXP have put a lot of effort to ganking, it's still GCT with the advantage. It's an 80 gold lead. Oh, solo kill.
Oh, shot residue already propped here. Yubon, does he want to actually stick around for the wave? No, he's going to call it off, even though Quejo is actually nearby. She's already spotted all four of the members making this attempt to
Nice.
dive if they stick
Các bạn
any
trap
longer.
mùi mà bình.
That's going to be a trade once again in favor of
Okay.
GXP.
Alright,
Another
mùi,
turret goes
guy.
into their hands.
One by one, step by step.
Now it's back to
One by
the
one, step by step.
GXP finally able to get a structure on the board.
Mà sao mình mấy cái, mà sao mình experience là nói vậy.
Oh, now they find the angle to get they have a spin out and actually catches two. Quejo can't seem to get out of this, but the Fatal Links onto three targets is great. Right into the Petrified hands of Black Dragon Tail. The combo's good, but when he takes Quejo out, needs to get out of there. Ling flickers forward. Tokyo tries to cut him down, but luckily,
Ok, đạch Golan mình ở
still
Vinny admin
makes it
flicker.
out.
Vinny vài ngay tích lo mình.
Whenever they go in, I mean, we saw glimpses of this in the bottom lane, that overkill nature of them. When they go in, dude. They go galaxy deep.
Yep, I think at this point they just need to figure out how much they
I am in
really
flicker
need
bên
to
là.
like get value for their resources. I know there's that big guarantee, but it feels like they're overpaying. And now Ling getting hit by Deadly Magic, including Retribution. One more auto attack might be enough, but too late. The Deadly Magic is already popped. Kyoe is going to chase it, play
rất
nice and slow, and it's super understandable.
Nice.
You're too far
phải.
forward, Ling just instantly one-shots you.
It's too much damage to deal with from both XP on the Paquito and Kyoe on the Harley. And the fun fact is that GXP just have no control to get this neutral objective, despite Kyoe shown up top. And I think we
Nice.
gotta go back to that point. of the
Alright, mùi
resource
xanh nè.
management here. GXP, yes, they need to calculate which abilities to use, but I think in
Dương ban pi
particular,
tret
they
mà
need
với
to
nhau ta,
save the
dương
heavy
tret
spin
tret
for
ban
either
pi
the
tret mà với nhau,
control
chân
objective
lối về mà
or
dương
to
với nhau
heal
lối khinh
for
xuyên
the
mà dương tí vậy.
Backliners. This is the entire reason they went for the
Mình dân
attack.
tranh tret cái phụ lối tret với ban
Everybody
chởn xíu á.
That's the
Và khó bị
gamble
chởn
they
mostly
played with. And if
វា
Bond
best
uses the
លើ
heavy spin
experience តែមានចំនួនច្រើនគ្នា
What will happen?
ហើយ
Guerrero
ជា
just
ពិ
gets
សេស
a
វាមាន
massive
unique
set
បើ
and she's
វាមួយ
already
ទៀតគឺ
eyeing it.
seal
Gotta be dependable. They got Lima in trouble now. As both sides have been contesting the mid wave here, it's going to be a free turtle for Fa as they start to open up the map. But look at the position of Ling right now as the combo is good. Quail forced to get on out of there. RWM.
Linh.
But gets traded instead. Not that worth it. I mean, I
experience ដូរមីរ៉ូមើលដូចជាមិនសូវទេដឹងប៉ុន្តែ at least yeah
out away from the mid tier one, but the ideas are there.
It's a gamble. I see the idea, I see the vision, but I agree, it's not worth it. Definitely not here. Galaxy Phoenix, they
ចុយខាងគេកិច្ច team fight មួយយើង
one of their main damage
Phải mấy
dealers
trận?
around these team fights. Someone that you
ចង់មកតរ៉េតទេ
need to
ចម្លែក
stay
នេះ
on the map right now to actually get
ចុយ plan គេ
support
ធ្វើគេ
and
ស៊ីផ្ទះមែន
Again, GCT,
វាយតរ៉េត
as long as
ណា
they
គេ
can
វាយតរ៉េតទេ
Tokyo,
ចុយ
seems like they're gonna take these structures down
Sao cái nó?
every single
Vai
time
atrás
that
à?
you leave these structures alone. We get to see the replay again. It's the all in here.
អូមិញ off flick ចេះ
Flicker
ឡៃម៉ែ
baited out Quejo, but Ling just walks
Sao
up,
vai atrás
getting the
vậy?
knockout. Not worth it. The rest of the team comes in and Liubon of all people.
Funny today អត់ក្រៃយីងចុយក្រៃយីង
We
ឯ
have
ណា
to talk about the flickers again. Yeah. If
ចុយគេ
GCT
ស៊ីតែតរ៉េតប៉ុណ្ណឹងឯងមួយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគេស៊ីតែតរ៉េតទេកិច្ចបោកតរ៉េតកិច្ចបោកតរ៉េតចុយ
Liubon
ស្អីគេ
will have a free way to just jump in the backline,
The
and
fuck?
especially with this dragon at 5 and
មក
0.
តរ៉េតទៀតនេះ
It's a massive threat.
Trời,
for
sao cái đó?
Sophia and Winnie.
You know what? Let's
Sao
pull
cái
up the idol and
Sao mấy
see
bạn xí
how
ra ra chứ?
truly dangerous this dragon is actually going to be in this game. Because at this point, like, I'm looking at Winnie, she's already like 3 and 1. She's
Mày thăm
almost
này.
there, complete to that third item. But wow,
Ô,
the strongest ever can be. Sophia tries her best. Somebody needs to clean this up.
Ô,
It looks
Sophia ơi,
GCT
trời ơi.
get away with this huge
Thật
punish
ấy,
for
ấy,
Deltec.
Oh no, the flicker burnt as well. That was brutal. GXP a bit miscoordinating the resources there as well. A little bit of a bad call, I'd say.
គេ farm ឲ្យ5 lane មាន late game ណាស្រួលណា
There's only so much they can really do here. The Fatal
Oh,
Links
no.
right into each other. The combo is perfect. It is good. And Kyoe should be able to close this one out. even after the way of the
Chơi trong
dragon.
bên
I mean,
ừ,
so
cái
far,
phone nó check map này nè.
is it the lack
Chơi
of
ai lọt cái?
information
No.
here, or is it just one mistake after the other? They haven't
Chơi.
been able to kind of find their footing once more.
យើងអត់ check map កន្លែងហ្នឹងអត់ដឹងថា Atlas ហ្នឹងក្នុង
Feel
ហ្នឹងហ៎
like the Akai pick again fits their composition really well, Gideon, but doesn't seem to GXP. They're so used to
ចុយ
having
ពួកនោះលេង
Fawn and
objective
Assassin that could go
ប្រើ
for
រ
the
ថៃ
lead.
objective នោះទេ
Now they don't. They have Fa on
Oh!
someone to heal in the back, so even when you go for those bombastic plays, there's no one to really
Objective ប្រើរថៃ
capitalize on it.
I mean, if they do want to capitalize on it, they gotta make sure that
យើងអត់
combo
check
is
map
set
កន្លែងហ្នឹង
right.
យើងដើរចូលទាំង
I think
2 នាក់
it's just a little
ចំពេល
bit of
Atlas ក្នុងហ្នឹង
disconnect. Wait, hold on. It's gonna be a Mystic Gush onto Liu Ball, and now they can't exactly clear the wave effectively without having to send people up.
មួយសិនដល់ guys អូ
And with this presence alone, that just means that GCT are gonna start backing away.
មិញបើ flick
Cho
តតបាន
is still a
បើ
problematic
flick
hero
តត
to
បានតែ
deal
សុខ
with.
ហេគាត់ឡត
Sophia is super trigger happy on that Mystic Gush. Oh yeah.
អត់អីទេយើង mid យើងក៏ led ដែរ
Seems
mid
like
យើងក៏
every
led
time she has it up, she's gonna
Dương
use
lên
it
màn.
on somebody as long as she lands the Mystic Projectile. There's a lot of galaxies to play
យើង
with.
លេង
That's
មួយៗដល់
good
យើងលេង
as
មួយៗ
well,
កុំ
but-
control
but
ពេក
You gotta calm down here, especially
យើងត្រូវ check
considering
map
we have a
សំខាន់ណាស់
player that's easily baited out by an RWM or even a dragon that'll be used by Liu Ball to get away from bot.
Okay, they use the heavy spin as a means to kind
fine.
of delay this tower take. However, with the deadly magic as well as the RW, it's more than enough to blast them out. So Via even
Fine,
using
muy
the Mystic
fine.
Gush here, not targeting the wave, but instead targeting Kyoe. Now,
Ủa,
with
anh lính
all
bốc
the
trát
main
khó mà.
abilities gone, this inhibitor is basically going to go down for free. What can they do to stop it?
Nothing. The
Chơi
Mystic
cái
Gush
bọc
is
man tier
already
3
down.
lỡ.
They don't
Ừ.
have any resources to play with in Tokyo.
ចុយមកយើងចង់ទុក mid
Now
ពេក
with
អើ
the
យ
Perfect Gun, we were already talking about how good the siege is for GCT with their range and their double damage dealers. Lemma.
A forced play coming in here, flickering to the way of the Dragon. Liu Ball looking to respawn onto Lima's side. Pulls
Flick.
in the carry
No.
with the Fatal Links. Liu Ball takes her out.
Really
អូ
didn't have enough time to react to that play. Kueho, perfect match, cancels the
Sao
damage
mình
with
đá
the
hay
Perfect,
đó nghe?
instantly goes for the Fatal
អូ
Link.
ងាប់បាត់
It's good. It's good. Deadly Magic, 1.7k worth it. Blows them up, no problem with the chastised
Trời
Bulge
ơi.
already purchased by Liu Ball. If
Mua
things
gái,
weren't
mua ơi.
difficult enough.
មកចឹង
Oh
Ôi, cái
my
troll mày.
lord.
មួយសិន
Link's
សិន
been doing such a good job at playing that damage control.
លីងអាឡែ clear land ឲ្យមួយ land អីទៅលីងមិញ clear land ក្រោមឲ្យឡើងស្អាត
Getting away too far from her. But now it's Liu Ball back again ahead with a chastised Pauldron. She knows exactly what's a threat to her. It's just the carry right now to shred her down from the
Ê,
sky.
cái khơi
So
lại.
with the chastised
Ui,
Pauldron,
ngay
I
á nè.
don't even think Link
អាលីង
can
ឆ្ងាយ
actually
កុំចេញ map អា
do
លី
what
ង
she's been able to do on Liu Ball right now to dominate that lane.
So what's the order as of yet, right? Because the way that I'm
Okay,
thinking about
nice.
it, Fa's been using their abilities too soon to try and disengage. I think the heavy spin needs to be the disengage at this point.
តើឥឡូវ
You
លេង
gotta
មួយវិញ
sell
មួយវិញ
that Fa's
ចុយ
gonna
លេងម៉ា
engage,
អត់ដែរ
and then
ថយចេញមក
maybe Lima gets a pick and you can wombo combo with the Mystic Gush. That's what I'm thinking.
That's
As
what
a
I'm thinking
Fiat
too.
man
It's just
flicker
all about the combo. That's why Lemma has been put in this really tough spot to just constantly go for anyone she can find. Usually that'll be good. If you're snowballing on the board, anybody kick is dead with the carry as well, right? So an extra guarantee. But the fact that these frontliners have all those items just gives Lemma an even tougher time. At least for
Cái
the
máu
lane,
à.
she can
À, đi rút,
constantly just
rút,
push
rút,
in
rút,
top
rút.
lane. She can constantly put
Nice.
pressure where Kyoe is going to be the only
Ồ,
person who
map
can actually
rít
deal
to,
with
map
those
rít
waves
to.
on the Harley. But now it comes back to GXP. Have they learned
ចូលមក
from
គេ
their
utility
mistakes
គេ
yesterday?
utility skill ច្រើនណាស់មួយៗគេមាន Atlas គេមាន E គេមាន Yuzong យើងត bait អាហ្នឹងអូយើងចេញ map ក្រោមអឺ
Good spot by Sophia. Again, it's Ling up top, setting up the waves for GXP, but GCT hold control over this bottom wave. Again, the heavy
អូ
spin.
ខុសបាត់ហើយអស់ heavy spin មកខា
Has been committed. They're even using the conceal to chase into the back line. Luba Ling has to keep on pushing at this point in time. Fatal Links gonna connect on one. RWM on top of Sophia. Mystic Gush to slow things down. The Black Dragon is
Okay,
on
này,
top
này,
of
à,
Fox.
à, Lính bốc lơ,
Notice
Lính
the
bốc lơ,
inhibitors
lo.
getting attacked. And finally, GCT realize what's going on as they deny the recalls. This could be a potential backdoor, but the waves is done. And now we're back to this even state. GCT, they've already picked up the kill onto Sophia. They send their Yi back as they should be able to get this Lord for absolutely
okay.
free.
GCT playing with fire, going all in on that fight, and it was a good play
Những
by
bị đánh
GXP
man
to
tier
try to
3
hold
mùi.
the back. But initially, it was far on the heavy spin that was just
Patient,
so
patient,
off.
mùi,
It
mùi, mùi,
looked
nè.
awkward.
មួយ
And it
មួយ
was
មួយមួយមួយមួយអត់អី
Correjo, that's another thing. I understand that you want to make sure you get rid of that like big AoE ult because it's the only thing that's going to
Cái utilityច្រើនណា
besides the Black
អូ
Dragon
អា
from
ហ្វាមិញ
both the RWM.
ស្ទើរបន្តិច
I think the GXP at this point, they got to play off of Lima no matter what.
ហ្នឹង conceal ចាំពេលហ្នឹង
Aggressive move. It's a conceal even though it's
No flicker.
already read out.
អត់មាន flicker ផងចុយលឿនហ៎
The It's I mean, they do get the initial stun out, no projectile at this point, but it's on such a low cooldown that it doesn't really matter. And you can tell that Tokyo having the time of her life, able to hit these turrets from outside the range. Ling, deep position. Oh, already revealed by that mid wave.
Kyoei in 1v1.
Oh, this is not going to look that great for them. Because Ling trying to make the attempt to slow down this wave to try and desynchronize it. Good call, recall on the hat trick, and you can tell
Nice
nobody
one.
can really keep
Off
up
flicker
with that
មួយ
speed, but at the same time,
Sophia.
nobody really wants to die. So Fan Links gets onto two. Winnie gonna make the attempt to try and take off Wei
Okay.
out. The heavy spin.
Mà,
looks
Linh,
good.
Linh, Linh, mà, Linh.
Just now, Linh
What,
gets
what,
the fight
what,
to
what?
Sophia
Nice!
down. Sophia able to find it in the back line as Link
Kêu
continues
bê.
to push
Hmm,
forward.
xảy ra đây.
Kyoei, the next to fall to Winnie as GXP take back the space.
Nice one, nice one. Alright, mùi. Okay, swing away 4K 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 Em, tao đạch của váy má này. Trả dừng lết đây, trả dừng lết váy má này. God, Pakito select game rồi nè, select game. Trời, anh Linh mùi, anh Linh. Hoài, thấy à. Đây có tha bờ lý vẹo sơ lết á. Cái bây giờ nó phải cả đến helmet. Clean mạnh sơ chứ. Giờ ta cái frontline với tầm mũi ấy, vai tại Atlas nó ngóp chứ nè.
Damage taken rankings though. Fa taking a whole lot of damage next to Kueho, Lemma and Ling following up next, and that's where you can really see that GXP. They can take the damage. They can go through these fights.
Cô
It's
Vinh
just
đi
the
vô chụp
damage
vật.
allocation
Wait,
in the last few
what?
fights. Hammond took it far.
Okay, Quaho in a position
Ê, ê, ê.
to engage, but now gets the back line into Black Giant for the combo.
Oh my God,
Perfect.
cái gì kia mà.
Sojikan takes out Sophia, and even with an immortality, Fa getting
my
punished
fuck.
for the mistakes. Luckily, Winnie and Lima are able to get out of this, but
Cái
all
vị
that
ta, nó
pressure
flick bao vào đây.
surmounted to nothing much as GCT take control
Ở đây,
of this
ở đây.
game again.
Tục ban.
And you just have to
Cái
ask
to
the
chu.
question,
Cái clean này,
when
cái clean này.
will this lesson be learned?
Basket.
From GXP, the instant heavy spin. GXP, Winnie and Lemma are doing a good job. The deadly magic last,
chip.
that's an immortality
Go.
for sure.
Can't do much about that. Tries to get to the fountain in time, but unfortunately still goes down. Again, wasted economy here, despite it being dead. Even
Lụt
the
vật cha
economy
đô
is
vô đó goal.
important just to make sure you've, you know.
Trời,
a
phân
little
là
bit
lính
of
ơi,
swap
game
in
này.
your items, but this Lord
Phân
should
là
be
lính
the
đó đây.
last one if GCT takes it.
It's
Thôi
true.
ngày đó ngà pha lên cay bạn lên rồi. Nghe đấm si tờ lọp lên assassin bây giờ.
There's Kueho right there to chain CC her, and even just clearing
Right.
out the wave might be a bit too much to ask for.
All right, I mean, they're gonna wombo combo Link for sure, right? Still with the immortality, still has flicker, but he's dead. Fortunately, okay, instantly exploded, no way to get out of this. With that, I think that's the final nail of the coffin, right? By the time it spawns, about add another 10 seconds, yeah, she'll still be dead.
Cá ton. Lọt thom ra đó, mình lội vô
She
này.
was the saving grace for GXP.
Rồi
Someone
mà,
can actually stagger those waves.
Giờ đó
while
thật cả
also
pha
looking
cay
for
lọ.
attacks to really threaten this box. Now,
Tất
no
cả
one can
pha
threaten
cay
the
lọ.
box. The only one who can is Fa. But I think in this point, when you're playing around the
Cay,
base, you want to use the heavy spin to heal
pha
your
cay lọ
carries
dương
instead of
xe.
going in for a pick. This could be the Lord that ends the game. It very well looks like it.
I mean, they've got the extra
Ôi,
damage
thật kiên,
reduction as they're looking to put the final attack here. Close out game number 1.
Chắp kia away
they
mới
gotta
có.
be careful because
Đây
man,
mà.
the damage from Tokyo, they can't really do much about it as well. Deadly Magic already out as Black Dragon form should zone the rest. Heavy Spin finally comes out a little late, but to now, it should be over. They can't close the distance. Lima gets the kick, but unfortunately, the Lord is just too powerful. That's game number 1 going over to
Ôi,
Caltech